Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today I'm going to show you how to do a proper lateral raise. I guess Tiger's going to join us today, so grab your light dumbbells. If you don't have light dumbbells, what you can use is you can use a water bottle, 2 water bottles instead. Okay, so I have my 5 pounds here with me. So first, let's start with feet hip width apart, shoulders roll back and down. So your arms are straight by your side. From here, you're gonna slowly, as you exhale, bring your arms up to your shoulder level, and inhale, slowly bring them down. Couple things to remember. I know the exercise itself is simple, but there are a few important points that you need to remember. Make sure you're not bending your wrist like this. Keep your wrist nice and straight. And make sure you're not bending your arms like this. Keep your arms straight, but do not lock your elbows. So up here, and then down. So make sure you're not bringing your arms all the way up. Keep them at your shoulder level. Your hands in a line with the shoulders. Slowly down. If you see me from the side, exhale up, inhale down. Exhale up, inhale down. Tiger's like, okay, are we done yet? So again, hands in a line with the shoulders. So make sure your arms are not to the front like this, like a V, or back. They need to be in a straight line with the shoulder level and down. Now from this exercise, you can also add a lunge. Exhale down and inhale up. So exhale when you lift, inhale when you bring them down, nice and slowly. Make sure you're not like swinging your arms like this or bringing them to the front like this. This is the proper form. Down, good. If you feel like you can bring your arms higher than your shoulder level without any problem, that means your weights are a bit too light. And also, if you cannot bring your weights up to your shoulder level and you cannot do more than 5 or 8 reps, that means the weights are a bit too heavy for you. So up, exhale, inhale down, nice and slowly. 1, 2, down, 2. Also, I would suggest this works your shoulders, your core, and your whole upper body. So focusing on the shoulders and the core. I would suggest if you're a beginner doing about 6 to 8 reps for 3 sets. And then as you go on, you can increase the weights and then add more repetitions. So that's it for today. That was our lateral raise. Thank you so much everyone for joining me today. And if you have any questions on how to do a certain exercise, you're not sure how to do it, make sure you write in the comments below, then I'll make sure to film and post it for you guys. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye. Tiger. Say bye. Bye. She's gonna hate me now. Bye everyone.